hear how quiet it is? That's because there's no work being done on the Gateway program. All of the funding has been withdrawn, so there's nothing happening anymore. It's sad to have this be my update, but this is the update on how the new tunnel under the Hudson River is going. It's not moving forward. There's no money to do it anymore, so all of the work has stopped. I'm sure it will be harder to start it up again if and when that happens, but this is the state we're in now. It was exciting that it had started, but there's nothing more going forward. This tunnel was to connect Penn Station to the Northeast Corridor a little further south in New Jersey. It would have relieved the over century-old tunnels that the Pennsylvania Railroad dug under the Hudson River when they first entered New York City and did the Penn Station project. Those tunnels were very old and they're starting to fail. So the hope was that this Gateway tunnel would relieve some of the traffic in there. Also, the tunnels were very badly damaged in Hurricane Sandy. So these tunnels were needed to relieve the train traffic. I mean, as of now, Penn Station is I think there's 42 trains an hour from Penn Station, and that includes Amtrak, New Jersey Transit, as well as the Long Island Railroad. Soon to be Metro North as well. That was the plan, at least. I don't know where that sits now. But what I hoped would be an ongoing visit to see the progress has turned into a let's visit a moribund project that's not moving forward at the moment. So we'll see. I hope it comes back. This is really a sorely needed project because once those 1910 Pennsylvania tunnels start to fail, or if they fall apart further, there's no way to recover. Thanks for watching.